DJI Mini 5 Pro StartRC Soft Case review. Got that coming up next. Bill, the drone reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The good folks at StartRC recently sent me their brand new soft case for the DJI Mini 5 Pro to review. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the StartRC soft case for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. And there's a strap to the case if you want to use that. Let's go ahead and put the batteries in the battery compartment here. And let's go ahead and put that in the slot for it. And it goes in just one way. Next, we'll put the Mini 5 Pro in. And there's a slot for the filters. We're going to put that in there. We're going to get the controller, put that in the slot for the controller. And there's a space for the charger. And we're going to go ahead and put the cables in a zipper compartment up at the top. Along with the handle, because we're not going to use that. Let's go ahead and zipper this shut. Everything fits in here real nice. This is an ideal type of case for day trip use. If you're running around town and flying your Mini 5 Pro, this is absolutely perfect for that. You see, it's easy to unzip and zip, and everything fits in here very nicely. And that's the StartRC soft case review for the Mini 5 Pro. Question of the day. What did you think of DJI Mini 5 Pro StartRC soft case review? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.